Hello, welcome back to our channel. You will be amazed to know about 10 uses for cucumbers in this video. In this channel we share interesting stuff with you. Watch this video and you really will be surprised. Number 1. Removing wrinkles. Chemical component in cucumbers makes the collagen in your skin tighten. Cucumber can be used specially to remove wrinkle around your eyes and neck. Now you will not wonder that why people on movies have cucumber slices in their eyes. People also make an anti-aging skin tightening mask which will delaying signs of aging and wrinkles in the skin, using cucumber juice and cornstarch. Cornstarch contains vitamin C and antioxidants which reduces wrinkles in the skin. Because it contains vitamin C and antioxidants. Number 2. Avoid headaches and hangovers. After having a tough week, it's Friday. You decided to have some beers or wine, and maybe had one too many glasses of wine? Now you're afraid of having headache in the morning. But you don't want to miss your fun on the weekend. Eat half of a cucumber before bed to reload the nutrients missing in your body. Cucumber, same as watermelon, can help cut dehydration out of the picture. Cucumbers are high in B vitamins, sugar that help you avoid headaches and hangovers. Number 3. Clean crayon mark. You have kids. So cute. But you can't keep your eyes on the kids all the time. They are just artists, and in some points, you will find kids' crayon drawing on the wall. It's nice painting, however you want to clean it. Don't worry. Rub the crayon scribbled wall with an unpeeled cucumber for cleaning. You can also try baking soda, vinegar, glass cleaner, or toothpaste for this purpose. Number 4. Get rid of bad breath. You might have a date in an hour, and you had something delicious like a garlic bread before that. Now you're going to be uncomfortable because of bad breath. Don't worry, there is a solution for that. Hold a slice of cucumber on the roof of your mouth with your tongue for about a minute. The phytochemical in cucumber kills the bacteria that causes bad breath. Number 5. Source of energy. You had a tough day at work and feeling tired in the afternoon. What about a cup of coffee in Starbucks? But you cannot sleep at night if you drink coffee late. What about some cucumbers? They are a source of carbohydrates and B vitamins to give you a longer lasting and healthier boost of energy. Number 6. Polish your shoes. You are in a rush and can't find the shoe polish. What you should do now? You may have a cucumber in the fridge. Rub a slice of cucumber over your shoes. Its chemicals will provide a quick and durable shine. This coating on the shoes will also repels water. Number 7. Keep pests away. You want to get rid of pests and you don't want to use chemical spray at home. Why you don't use cucumber? Yes, cucumbers work for common household and garden pests, especially well for silverfish, as they are crawling insects. Place the bitter peels around trouble areas, and replace them often. It is as an eco-friendly pest control solution. Number 8. Treat sunburned skin. It might look silly, but a cucumber has cooling power, and this can be extremely effective against painful sunburn. The cooling and anti-inflammatory effect of cucumbers may help ease pain, redness, and irritation caused by sunburns. Number 9. Controlling blood pressure and cholesterol. Do you have high blood pressure? Or high cholesterol in your blood? Add cucumbers to your daily diet. They contain a healthy level of pectin, which helps decrease the levels of the cholesterol. Cucumbers are a good source of potassium which help you to lower your blood pressure. Especially if you drink cucumber waters regularly. Number 10. Prevent constipation. You have not had a poo in 2-3 days. Or the poo is often dry, hard, and lumpy. And you are in pain when you have a poo. These are the signs of constipation. Just add some cucumbers to your daily diet. Cucumbers are fiber-rich and high in water. Eating cucumber regularly can improve stool consistency and prevent constipation. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe to stay updated with our new videos.